this platform is a very healthy platform. Fam Health, नाम में ही health है. So today I'm going to make a very healthy whole wheat and jaggery cake with lots of nuts inside it, and with the goodness of ghee, cow ghee. So first of all, we'll combine all our dry ingredients together. So here I am taking my whole wheat flour. So we will combine all the dry ingredients, and we will see, like I'll be putting whole wheat flour, then I'm putting half teaspoon of baking powder. After that, I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we'll just sieve this. तो हम होल व्हीट फ्लावर को थोड़ा इसको छान लेते हैं, सो दैट उसमें जो थोड़े मोटे वाले ग्रेन जो भी कुछ होता है वो निकल जाएगा. एंड एज वी आर मेकिंग इट हेल्दियर, मोर हेल्दी, आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सम nut flour into this. So I'm adding the almond flour into this recipe. Okay, तो dry ingredients में almond flour भी जाएगा. So which is 2 tablespoon which I'm adding it. आप almond flour यूज कर सकते हैं, आप oats flour ऐड कर सकते हैं, आप walnut flour ऐड कर सकते हैं, और अदरवाइज हम चॉप नट्स भी डालेंगे इसके अंदर. अब हमने जब ये नट्स का ये डाल दिया है, उसके बाद एज वी आर इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स, अब इसमें जाएगा हमारा जैगरी पाउडर. So I have taken half cup of jaggery powder. Or this is the organic jaggery powder. Okay, so I'm using this. So this will also go into the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So we'll be doing it nicely like this. Can you see? Actually, different techniques of making cakes. So for the viewers, as people love to bake at home, so I am using the simplest of the technique, which is like dry ingredients and mix wet ingredients and combine them together, and it's a very easy recipe, so that viewers can easily make it. So we have our dry ingredients together now. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer it. And now I'll use all my wet ingredients. So all the wet ingredients will go inside this now. Firstly, I'll be taking the cow ghee, which is the organic cow ghee I'm using, and this is 1/4 cup of cow ghee. So that will go. And there are very good benefits of, like, you can also use refined oil or canola oil as per your choice instead of ghee, in case you don't want to use ghee. But as we all know that ghee has a lot of good value for health, so that's the reason I'm using the ghee. Okay, now after ghee, I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of my vanilla essence, and then I'll be using milk. So here is half cup and 1/4 cup of milk, which will also go in this ghee. Okay, so I'm using this also. And after this, lastly, I'll be adding 2 teaspoon of vinegar. So now all our wet ingredients are together in this now. Fine. So I'm just going to give it a good mix. So it's mixed now, and now it's a very simple recipe. So now what we'll do, we'll just the dry ingredients that we have mixed. If you want, you can also add some chopped nuts into this. As I said, I'll be using dates also. So I'll be going to use some of the dates in my dry ingredients. These are the chopped dates I have taken. Okay, and some I'll keep for the garnishing on the top. And if you want, you can also add some chopped walnuts if you want to use that. Otherwise, I'm using the walnuts and almonds for the garnishing on the top. So here, now we are going to add our dry mix to the wet mix. So here you can see, I'll just show you. I'll just mix it and I'll just show you how it goes. And especially when you see, though when diabetic people are there, they are not able to eat sugar, right? So there is a little craving. I don't say that jaggery is actually safe for diabetics, but they can at least have little bit of it because very less jaggery is going in. But that's better than the having the refined sugar what we eat. Yeah. And then इसमें milk जो मैंने use किया, मैंने normal milk use किया हुआ है. But आप इसके अंदर you can use oats milk, you can use almond milk. So there are a lot of variations you can do to this recipe and make it even more healthier. Yeah. And anyways, whole wheat flour is much better than the maida, which is the refined flour we use. But ठीक है, taste के लिए कभी-कभी वो भी ठीक है. But when you want to eat it regularly, I feel कि whole wheat cake is a real healthy cake. So you can do, a little this thing about it कि आप कौन सा वाला चीज आपको जो सूट कर रही है, आप उसके साथ रेसिपी को थोड़ा सा ट्वीक कर सकते हैं. And then you can try that. तो रागी यूज करेंगे, ओसा फ्लावर यूज करेंगे, किनोआ फ्लावर यूज करेंगे. तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा थोड़ा आप डिफरेंट चीजें यूज करके आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट रेसिपीज. आई हैव मिक्स्ड इट. वी डोंट हैव टू ओवर मिक्स, so you can see the consistency. So now it's such a simple and easy recipe. It's all done. We'll have to just now transfer it to the apna baking bowl. So I have taken this baking pan, and I have इसको मैंने घी या ऑयल किसी से भी इसको आप ब्रश से थोड़ा सा ग्रीस कर देंगे. After this, I have taken a parchment paper. Okay, so I am going to put my parchment paper into this, and then I'll be pouring my batter on this. Okay, I'll just do it. Just give me a minute. So here you can see I'm just pouring it into my batter, this pan. So here, can you see this? So now what I will do to make it more healthy and interesting and tastier, I have got some chopped walnuts here, so which I'm going to put over this. Then I have some almond flakes also here. I'll just show you. And then finally we have kept some dates to be putting on the top, right? So what I'm going to do, as the dates they stick together, right? The chopped dates. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dust a little whole wheat flour over this so that वो coat हो जाएंगे उससे. On the top तो वो sink नहीं करेंगे अंदर. So अब मैंने इसमें डाल दिया तो वो सारे coat होके ना अलग अलग हो गए इसमें जो है ना. तो बस I'll just put it over the cake. I'll just place it, and believe me, this cake tastes really, really good. So here, my cake is ready here. So this will be going in the oven at 180 degree, and we'll keep it for 30 to 35 minutes. At 30-35 minutes के बाद आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, आपने एक स्क्यूअर या ऐसे कुछ लेके 30 मिनट्स के बाद एक बार टेस्ट कर लेना है उसको सेंटर में डाल के केक को कि वो बेक हुआ है या नहीं. एंड कई बार होता है कि थोड़ा सा रह जाता है, कई बार नहीं हुआ तो उसको मे भी 3-4 मिनट और एक्स्ट्रा रख सकते हैं. देन यू कैन टेक इट आउट एंड कूल इट, एंड देन आप खा सकते हैं. सो आई हैव टू शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू बेक दिस एंड यूज इट, सो आई जस्ट शो दैट टू यू. सो सी, हियर इज द केक. And this is also very yummy. I wish I could send you for tasting. So this is the cake after it's baked, and I'll just show you how soft and very, very nice it is. Okay. Can you see the crumbs and how moist and see? This family is a wonderful platform. I mean, I have been following it, and the kind of amazing recipes all the home chefs and people are sharing, it's really, really very helpful. So thank you once again, and thank you for honoring me to present my recipe at this beautiful platform.
हेल्थ, फिटनेस और पोषण पर पाए बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स की राय सिर्फ famhealth.in पर। और हमारी YouTube पेज माय फैम हेल्थ पर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।